guys, my name is Poojitha.
And my name is Karthik.
And welcome to the club! We're going to be having a fun day out today with you-know-who, Shreya and
Anish.
That's right. Those are our best friends, or they are our best friends. And today we're going to be, today and tomorrow. Today is just a small trip, and tomorrow we're going to be having a big trip. Today is
It's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah, our parents haven't told us anything yet. They don't ever tell us anything because they want to be a surprise for us, and we actually like that. We actually like that, being a surprise. But anyway, we're on our way to somewhere, I don't know. And we're so excited. Shreya and Anish are gonna be going in their car, and we'll meet at the place. It's kind of weird because we're like driving to the same exact place and then meeting there.
We're going two places actually. That's
Yeah.
what our parents only told.
Yeah, today is the first place. It's not like that huge, but tomorrow it's gonna be even better because it's huge and we're actually going in the same car. It's gonna be even fun. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so we can get to 200 subscribers.
Or better yet, 1,000.
Yes.
These are all old?
How do you like it, Shreya? Can you see a lot of things?
I can see many. Oh my gosh, now it's so good. I think I see this kind of yeah. Now what can you see?
Grass. I'm gonna have to go to this one. I can see it. It looks really cool, guys.
I can't see it.
Here.
Look down to the grass, Karthik.
But you can try Karthik. You can see.
Nothing.
Describe what you see, Shreya.
Oh my gosh, now I can see super clear. It's just this thing. I can see the grass like moving.
I think it's because of the air.
Please, can I try Karthik?
Oh, it's so cool.
I mean, look over there.
It looks like a rainbow kind of. It's like moving.
Can you see a bridge?
Oh yeah, I see a truck over there.
Yeah, but how? It's so far.
I don't know why.
Oh,
Can you see anything, Anish?
I can see a light pole.
Cool.
Ah, I see pink.
I think that's my shirt.
Awesome sauce.
Look at that tiny airplane. It looks so cool.
It's not tiny.
And look at that tiny truck.
Welcome home, our heroes. I think it's just like a little wheel to play with. Go and touch it. So we're going to see if Poojitha can touch that airplane.
I don't know if I can. I
Can you?
Yeah, I can.
Touch it, touch it. I'm touching it. Poojitha can't touch it now.
I can touch it.
I have an idea.
I'm like-
Go for here. Sit here. I can sit.
How are you enjoying this place so far, Karthik?
Good, but I think there's more stuff.
Rate it from 1 to 5.
Has anyone seen Anish?
I can say. Right, Shreya. How are you enjoying this place so far? So rate it from 1 to 5.
5.
5 being the best.
kind of hard to see though because it's so bright outside, right? Very windy today. Doing the videos, or do you just like the filming part? You know what I mean?
I like the filming part.
You like the filming part? Do you like doing the stuff on the computer or with the camera? Oh yeah? So you're our editor then. Alright. Coming up with all the cool graphics. You too. Thank you. We're gonna head to our next location now, okay?
Okay.
No, you guys were here for moral support, okay? Next time you're gonna carry all this stuff, alright? Can you handle that? Well, you never know. You never know.
Well, this place is really big.
This more looks like a basketball court.
Relieved, Shia?
Yeah.
Do you rate it from 1 through 5, this place? How do you like it?
10.
10. Above the level. What are you guys doing?
We're finding ladybugs.
Ladybug hunting again. What are you doing, Shia?
I want to see over there. I